What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sharon here. Make it easy with Shaz, where we cook, clean and learn. So today we want to make some tea scones, coconut tea scones. Before we start, I'll urge you to subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll get notified. So here are our ingredients. So we have flour here, wheat flour. We have margarine, or you can use butter if you have. We have buttermilk or maziwa lala. We have desiccated coconut here. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I have 1 egg, vanilla essence and sugar. So we'll start by putting our baking powder. Then our desiccated coconut, I'll not put it all because I'll use some at the end. Then our sugar. Then turmeric. Then I'm going to mix them together using my hands. My hands are clean, guys, don't worry. Guys, then I'll put my egg and a little bit of vanilla essence, my margarine. Then I'll mix them until they become like a breadcrumb. Like that. Then that is where our buttermilk will come, or maziwa lala. So we'll continue mixing until we make a dough. Like that. Then we will spread it on our spread some flour so that our dough can spread well. Before I continue, guys, I'll preheat my oven. So I'll use 30 minutes. I'll preheat for 10 minutes, then our cookies will be ready for 20 minutes, I mean. So I'll be using 180 degrees. Then I'll be using up and down like that. So let it preheat for 10 minutes, then we'll put our tea scones inside. Meanwhile, I'll be making shapes and baking pan. To avoid sticking. Like that. Then we'll make shapes of our choice and arrange them here. So I'm going to make some round shape using this. Then arranging them in order like that. Then I'll wash it with my margarine. Just to make it glow when it is ready. And also to make it more fluffy. You can also smear egg instead of margarine or butter, but for me I'm using margarine. After that, we'll sprinkle some desiccated coconut. Then we'll bake it. Then that's why we put it in our oven. It's already preheated. So our scones are ready, guys. Put them to cool. And that's our scones. So we are going to taste one. As you can see, it is fluffy, guys. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.